Okay, this box just arrived, and let's do a bit of an unboxing exercise together. Okay, it's from Salesforce.org for my participation to the Unite Partner Summit. Thank you, .org team, amazing. Okay, let's see what's in the box. There's quite a few things in here. Okay, let's start with this. What is this? Recycled paper. Oh, it's just the wrapping that is recycled. Oh, these are sweatpants. Let's hope they're my size. Beautiful. Thank you. Very current. We're all at home, so sweatpants work. Oh, this is coffee. Very good. From Colombia. And what else is in here? Oh, there's more underneath it. Okay. Some tea. Oriental tea. Beautiful. Thank you. Love tea and coffee to warm up the days at home. Okay, what is this? Ultrasonic Mist Essential Oil Diffuser. Oh, beautiful. Nice. That's a big box. Thank you. And then, yes, okay, let's actually, they probably go with the diffuser. Eucalyptus. Nice. And lavender. Right. And what else do we have? Is this for the oil diffuse? No, this is, oh, hand cream. Oh, fantastic. Well, thank you. Hand cream. Then we have, this is a mask. Again, very current gift. My daughter will love this, I am sure. It's beautiful. Then I am 10. How can I be a 10 today? Well, I can probably be a 10 by sticking with my partnership with Salesforce.org. You know, it's great to be a partner today. It's great to be a partner every day, but today we also got chocolate. Wow, that's very, you know, it's a lot of very good stuff and very current. So thank you very much, .org team. It's amazing to be a partner, and this is absolutely fantastic. I will enjoy every one of it. Thank you.